Good morning, guys. By good morning, I mean good afternoon because it is 2 p.m. and I just woke up. I don't know I'm gonna survive the day. There's no fucking water in the house and I don't drink coffee. It just doesn't seem like it's going to go well. For a while now, people have been asking me for my makeup tutorial and okay, let me not even try to sweeten it up. I'm so lazy. But now I have all the time in the world. I really feel like doing it. My makeup routine has changed a lot. I'm gonna just start doing my makeup. I'll explain it along the way. So I start off with this cream from The Ordinary. I'm pretty sure it's azelaic acid. Suspension 10%. I have no idea what that means. It is supposed to help with removing blemishes and also just discoloration in general. It also keeps my skin very moist. My skin doesn't dry that much, which is amazing. After that, I go in with my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. I also just started using this. It's very light coverage. It looks very natural as well. I just put some over my blemishes. I do not cover my eye bag. I just find that the lashes make my eye bags look cute. I forgot to mention, I'm using the color 10. I think that's the color. When I was buying it, I just saw a bunch of numbers and then I matched it to my skin because I did not know what any of those numbers meant. The bronzer that I am using is actually a foundation stick. It is the Clinique Chubby Me in the Nude foundation stick. I've had this for a while. It's also almost done. How cute. I still use it because I can't find anything else that I like as much as this. I put some over here by my cheekbones, so here, and then underneath my eyes to accentuate my eye bags, so like that, and then also put some underneath my eyes like that. I blend that in, mostly the cheekbone. I go ahead and I take my finger and I just literally spread it underneath my eyes because it gives me that bronzy look, which I like. I actually use the same thing for my nose contour. I use a brush. I got my brushes from Coastal Scents and this is brush number 18. This is the one that I use to shape my nose. I just put a bit of this on there. And then I draw on my nose shape. I usually go for the rectangle nose shape. So I first start off over here underneath my nose. I'm gonna do another line up here. And then I do my nose bridge, like so. And then I just connect it at the top over here. And then I have to put a tiny bit here as well. And then I blend. When you blend, try to blend outwards. It just makes it look so much better, I promise. I use this foundation stick as well for my nose contour because I don't like my contour to be too harsh. Nose contour done. See, it's that easy. After the nose contour, I like to do my eyebrows. What I do for my eyebrows actually varies all the time. If I do want my eyebrows to look a bit darker and they're not as light, like for instance, if I don't have tint on them like I don't right now, I just use an old mascara. It's extremely dried out. There's barely any product on here, but the product that is on here does make a difference on my eyebrows. I just brush my eyebrows out and shape them a bit. And as for mascara, usually I do both up and down, but I have extensions in right now, which I actually need to brush out. I haven't brushed them out in a while. While I have my lashes in, I just do my bottom lashes. The mascara I use is the Zara Wink 4-in-1 mascara. It is from Lagos. It is really good. I do recommend it. It has the bigger side for your top lashes and the smaller side for bottom lashes. This is the side that I'm going to be using today. I just brush over them lightly. Okay, so I did go ahead and do my edges off camera because it's time consuming and it is not part of makeup for the ladies that are wondering. I got it in a pack of 2, so it comes with a black one and I got it from Shein when I ordered. And then, oh, hold on, I need to make up my highlighter. Okay, there's a bit of a problem. I don't remember my highlighter that I usually use, or my new one that I just started using. So I have this old palette that I'm going to be using today. This is the Contour and Glow palette by Scarlett Hill. I literally got it at Mr. Price. You can see it's been through the most. I've had this for basically like almost 2 years. I prefer to use a white highlighter instead of a golden one, just because I prefer how it looks on my skin. I put some on the tip of my nose bridge, cheekbones up here, and my, what is it called? A cupid bow? I'm not sure what it's called. And then I put a tiny bit underneath my eyebrows. And if I feel like it, I put it in the corner of my eyes, but I don't feel like doing that today. So the last thing I do is lip gloss. I don't wear lip gloss all the time just because my lips don't usually get that dry. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Gloss Angels lip gloss. I like this one. The color is really pretty. Let's put a tiny bit on. And yeah, that is my makeup routine.